consultant at the Isanti Clinic. I got some exciting news to tell you. We are offering a workshop called Joint Replacement Workshop. This workshop is for anybody that is planning on having to get a joint replacement. This workshop's for you. We're going to teach you exercises to do to prepare you for your surgery so you can recover faster. Now let's say you had a joint replacement. This workshop is for you too, because we're going to teach you how to get back into the things you enjoyed doing before in a faster way, but in a safer way. And the other thing we're going to teach you is the number one mistake that people do before or after a joint replacement. So come to the workshop. We're going to supply snacks, beverages, and a lot of knowledge to help you to get back to what you love doing.